Welcome to FEET.Teaching. I will introduce the modal verb can, could. Both can and could are modal verbs. In general, could is considered more polite or more formal than can. Can. The three main uses of can are ability, possibility, permission. However, there are some other use of can, as you will see. To express ability, can means to be physically able to do something or to know how to do something. Bird can fly. Elephants can't fly. I can speak two languages. You can drive as fast as you want on the German motorways. To express a possibility in general, to refer to a theoretical possibility. Note, you don't use can to talk about future possibilities. For this, you would use may or might. I can get cold there at night, so I take a jacket. You know you can win the competition. Well, I think your car can be repaired, but it's not going to be cheap. To offer to do something for others, can is used when you offer to help someone or to do something for them. You don't need to walk home. I can take you there if you like. Can I carry your bags for you? To ask for or give permission, to request something. Can is used to ask for, request permission, or to give permission. Note, can't is used to refuse permission. You can use my umbrella. I don't need it right now. Can I sit in that chair, please? Mary, you can play outside if you like. Can I ask you a question? I can't go to the park. It will still be wet from the rain last night. We can't leave the room until the assignment is completed. Can't. Something that is forbidden or not allowed. We cannot park the car next to this fire hydrant. I can't drive as fast you want in the city. There are speed limits. I can't smoke in the restaurant. You cannot drive a car without a license. Can't. When you are sure that something isn't true or something is surprising. It can't be dark outside. It's only 4:30 p.m. They can't have landed on the moon. I'm sure it is a hoax. Could. Could is similar to can and often replace can in the past tense. However, not always. to express ability in the past. I could ride a horse when I was younger, but now I can't. She could juggle 8 balls when she was only 10 years old. He could read when he was 3 years old. Polite words used to ask for permission or to request something in the present. Could I please use your bathroom? Could we move on the next topic now, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? I'm busy right now. Could you call me back later? General permission in the past. In high school, we couldn't leave the classroom without a pass. We couldn't go to the concert because his mother wouldn't let him. A suggestion when asked what to do, choices and opportunities. He could try and fix it himself. We could go to the movies if you are interested. Couldn't. Sure that something is untrue. Just like can't, you can. Use couldn't when you are sure that something isn't true or real. That couldn't be my cat mewing outside. It was hit by a car last week. He couldn't have painted that. He has no artistic ability at all. Could plus have plus past participle to express a possibility in the past. To express that something was possible but didn't happen. We were lucky because it could have rained, but it didn't. Why did you do that? You could have broken your leg. Could plus have plus past participle on realized past ability. This is used to say that someone was able to do something, but they did not try to do it. Sometimes this is a form of criticism. She could have married anyone she wanted to. Why did you sit there doing nothing? You could have helped me. Could, a conditional form of can. Would plus can. Same of could. Note, would, be able to, can replace could in the following examples. If we had some oranges, I could make you some fresh juice. I could write the letter if you told me what to include. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Remember to like and share our videos. Bye bye.